Well, it's raining pretty good today. It's supposed to rain a little harder later, so I don't think I'll be doing much outside. Not much I can do, really. Besides take some of this stuff off. What I think I'm gonna work on today is going to be... I haven't decided if I want to pull all the back stuff off, or if I should start working on the front stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it for a minute. Not sure what to do. So I'm gonna have to pull the upper control arms. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Guess we'll find out, huh? Meantime, YouTube. Okay, I figured it's about time for an update. What I did was I started taking off this side. Had the tires off and stuff. Almost took the brake line off. And then I thought, you know, after a lot of waffling back and forth, I decided that while I have the daylight, even though it's raining, on and off torrential downpour, and I'm on a hill, so this entire mat, it's just getting soaking wet. But my update is, I decided to just pull everything. Screw it. Just gonna do all the suspension. I got 2 days. So, just now got done pulling out the power steering pump, which was brutal. It's almost absolutely necessary. You don't have to pull the pin on your shift linkage, but you're gonna have to drop the brace on it, and you're gonna have to drop the shift linkage back there, and it's gonna be a lot of wrestling. If you can get the pin out and drop the other one, I say do that. Save yourself a lot of time. Don't try and mess with it like I did forever. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why I'm doing this, the power steering right now, because this car had its pump pulled from it. But it's a brand new rack and pinion, so I'm doing it. I just put it in the other car, so now I gotta take that out of the other car. But yeah, so I'm just pulling all of this. I got the axle nut actually came off without needing anybody on the brakes, but this side definitely didn't come off. So I'm just I pulled the tie rod, obviously, and next I'm gonna do pull the sway bar. I've got a big Progress sway bar, 22 mil on that one. Maybe it's not, I don't remember what it is exactly. But yeah, so what I did on the other side was I took all this out and brought it in here, and I started on this side because I was just gonna do side by side. And I was like, well, you know, I got it all. And I'm like, I got daylight. Even though it's raining, I've got daylight. I can do this stuff inside. And then tomorrow, pull that stuff in the daylight. Pull this stuff in the dark. Put this stuff on in the daylight. And then take my sweet time putting the other crap back on. But if I can plow through this in just a little bit of time, it'll be sweet. Yeah, it's all brand new. Moog upper control, upper ball bearing, new bearings, new hub, rotors, calipers, new brake lines. Obviously, Progress CS2 coilover, 350 up front. Yeah, there's the oil pan I'm gonna throw on there. It's just brand new. It's my nice little magnetic $5 Chinese magnetic blah blah blah. Suppose I could turn my light off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's very dirty under there. Here's the old one. It is power steering, but they pulled the pump to it. Not too bad. This bellow actually looks alright for the passenger side, but the driver's side's blown out. That's probably why they pulled it. It was kind of grungy or something. Stock. That's going back on the car. That's going back on because I have a nice Moog one. that's on the 89 right now. So I'm pulling all that, replacing it all with the stuff I just put on the other car, which is nice because I just did this 5 months ago. So it's all fresh in my head, and I'm just literally plowing through this right now. I'm very excited with the progress that I've made today. I don't think I'm going to do a transmission because A, I don't have the fluid for it. B, yeah, I don't know. I kind of just want to get this guy driving. I don't know. Thinking about it, I'm not sure anymore. I don't know, I might do it. But yeah, that's the progress check. Yep. Alright. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to leave the transmission because I'm going to build another. I want to do a D-series overhead, single overhead cam, VTEC. So I'm going to keep my SI tranny. I'm just going to pull it off of that one and stick it aside. I'm just going to save this one for now. Use it until a couple months from now when I do the full engine swap. Something completely different. But yeah, basically just going for the restore. So I'm going to call it a day for the outside stuff at least. I don't know, I might keep going. I'm pretty wet and cold and soaked to the bone, but I want to get cleaned up here. Got the arm, sway bar almost off. I had to take that off to make getting the power steering off easier. Wasn't planning on doing that, but I figure what the hell, while my blanket's all soaking wet, literally sopping wet, I might as well just get down there, lay on my back, and get the power steering completely installed, except for the tie rod ends. So, and on top of that, I got this guy in over here. So that's my driver's side knuckle. All that stuff is in and good. Out. Sad but good. Yeah. So that's about where I'm at tonight for day 3. Pretty good. Got a whole knuckle and suspension out. Power steering. It's actually quite a bit I got done today, considering it's absolutely just shit day out. Absolute shit day. So yeah. Alright, well, until tomorrow. Day 4 coming up.